how to make Ghibli style photo with PC for free. For that, just open any browser and type ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT latest version. So you have to log into with your Gmail account. So I already log in. Now you have to add your file. Press on continue with Google to sign up. Now you have to open this area and press on this file icon. Now you have to insert your file and write this prompt. I will give it to my description box, and if you don't like, you can press on your next again, then it will be generate new GBD again. Now it's generating. Now it's generating. So you have to open ChatGPT AI.apps. I will give the link and prompt as well to my description box. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.